In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change security deposit in Ownerrez. To get started, log into Ownerrez and make sure you're on the home page. This is where you'll begin the process of updating the security deposit settings for a property. If you manage multiple properties or calendars, take a quick moment to confirm you're working in the correct account area before making any changes. From the home page, click on your calendar name. This will take you into the settings and details connected to that specific property or calendar. It's important to choose the right one, especially if different properties use different deposit rules. Once you're in the property details area, look for the security deposit section. This is where Ownerrez displays the current security deposit setup for that property. If you're reviewing existing rules before making a change, this is a good point to pause and double check the amount currently in place. Next, click the pencil icon. The pencil icon opens the editing screen, allowing you to update the security deposit rules. After selecting it, you'll be taken to the Change Security Deposit Rules page. On this page, go to the section labeled How Much and When. This is the part of the form where you control both the amount of the security deposit and the timing for when it is due. These two fields work together, so it's helpful to review both before saving your changes. Now delete the current amount and type in the new security deposit amount you want to use. Be careful when entering the number so there aren't any extra digits or missing values. A small typo here could affect future bookings, so it's worth taking an extra second to verify the amount before moving on. If needed, edit the days before arrival field as well. This determines how many days before check-in the security deposit will be due. If you only want to change the amount, you can leave this field as it is. But if your payment timing also needs to be updated, this is the place to do it. Once everything looks correct, click Save. Saving applies the updated security deposit rules to the property. After that, it's a good idea to quickly review the page and make sure the new amount and timing appear exactly as expected. And that's it. You've successfully changed the security deposit in Ownerrez.